Alright, we're actually doing a house, and this is the only room we can actually video in. We just did a bunch of area rugs, and the other rooms in the house are really dark. So this is upstairs. You can see they got a nice tall ceiling up here. And we're using Thibodaux Green Earth peroxide based cleaner today. And this isn't going to take too much time. Let me go kind of to the corner of the room here. So it's kind of an L-shaped room. And I'm gonna pause. We'll be right back. Alright, we're not gonna video in here because it's just too dark. Just to give you an idea of the rest of the space we're doing. And they got nice tall ceilings. This is an older house, probably from the 20s, and it's been fixed up, so there you go. But we're just going to show this one room. It's not going to be a very long video, so just bear with us. Alright, we're using the Challenger bonnet and pad driver, and I'll put information in the video description. We get these from Thibodaux, and you just order them from him direct. He's Challenger's representative, and you just text message him. He doesn't really take voice phone calls because he's too busy, but all you got to do is text message him if you want some of these, and they're excellent bonnets. Of course, I can't see what he's doing because I've got reading glasses on, so I can see the back of the camera. So I really can't see. I can barely see the carpet.
I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm cleaning it.
Yeah. I mean, I suppose it looks good on camera because the viewfinder seems okay. And this is a beautiful Saturday afternoon. It's been kind of cold all week, and now we have our first nice day. So, worked out to be good timing for us. I hope everybody's having a good holiday time right now. It's Thanksgiving next week. Hope everybody's been having enough work and going to have some time off with their families and everything.
There is some permanent wear in this, but nothing we can really do.
Yeah. This room here is she rents it out to students. So she's in between students right now. So she's just getting the carpets cleaned up real quick, and then the rest of the house, she's got a whole area that's open to everybody that stays here, and then her own private area. So this is kind of one of the open common areas, so we're going to video in here because nobody's actually in here.
They just moved out this morning.
Okay. Of course, this is a peroxide base cleaner and it's got a carpet safe solvent that's a component in it, so it's really good on organic stains, and then the solvent won't handle anything else. And of course, as it dries, it can lighten up some more. The carpets will lighten as they dry because of the peroxide.
Yeah, it's paint or something in here. There's stuff in here that that's not going to come out. No, we never guarantee stain removal.
You didn't finish the closet.
Huh?
You didn't finish the closet, did you?
No, I'll go there last.
He says he's going to do the closet last, so I thought, wait a second, you missed something, but he's planning on going back.
I'm doing the closet last because I may have to restart and stop the machine because it's got a little downhill to it.
Yeah, this older house like this, I'm sure people downstairs can definitely tell there's something going on up here.
Probably. Now what this is beeswax, or bee honey.
Oh yeah, she said they had some bees come in this summer.
Watch your foot. Pull the cord.
So that's going to be an organic, which is what peroxide will help with. Yeah, and I'm sorry the lighting probably isn't perfect. It's actually pretty dimly lit in here anyway. Those Christmas type lights that they've got, they're not very bright. And there's only one bulb up in the ceiling, so.
Yeah, she turned the air conditioner on for us.
Yeah, it's got a nice little window air conditioner here. That'll help the carpets dry faster, I
They
guess.
got some tall ceilings up there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, these upstairs like this, they'll get hot in the summertime, I guarantee you. Wonder what time it is.
Now this stuff is not coming out easy, but it's coming out. I'll tell you what time it is. It's time to get a cup of coffee.
I was looking at that giant clock on the wall.
Oh. Then we get into the closet. People tell us that I seem to go fast when I clean, but I really am a perfectionist. If something don't look right, I just keep going over it. So I think
Well, we
best.
already knew some things up here are going to be permanent because I think when they did some touch up on the woodwork and everything, so there's a little bit of varnish got into things. Yeah, he's basically. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and end the video because there's.
I think that is it.
Yeah, there's not much to show.
No, it
And
came
check
clean.
the video description. Until next time, thanks for watching.